taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, welcome. My name is Ruth Benson. Please don't let it be your last. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So today's video is a day in my life, is a mini vlog. Today is the 24th of December and I've not made my hair. I don't know what to do. My mom has a salon, so I've been really busy. I've not had time for myself. I've not made my nails, I've not made my hair, nothing. So this is currently 8:46. So I want to try to take my bath and then start making my hair. I'm not doing anything serious. I'm just taking this out and doing a ponytail. I don't want to stress myself because I'll be resuming school January. So I don't want to do anything too serious because I'll still make my hair again January, so there's no point. So guys, I want to try to take my bath, try to clean the house a little bit, and then I'll be back.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard way. Say you want, baby, keep playing this game. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm independent, you hard-headed. Too damn confused about what we had. Was all foreign, all that was wrong, shut up and say. But I was foolish, that your bare minimum was space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted. Couldn't answer what we had without the full closure. Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all.
So now guys, I'm going to take my bath and it's 9:39 and I wanted to do this on time. I wanted to hurry up. I'm so tired. I wanted to hurry up and make my hair, so I want to go and take my bath now and try to see if I can make my hair before customers start coming in. See you guys later. So guys, as you can see, I just finished having my bath, so I want to go to the shop now to see, because customers are already waiting. I want to see what I can do, then I'll try to do my hair on time, and then I'm taking you guys along today, so let's go.
Over, but now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, but now I'm on a looking forward. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day, taking time to myself. Can't believe.
So guys, I'm a little bit free. I have a client coming in at 1 and it's 12:42, so I need to prepare. As you know, I make nails. So guys, it's currently 7 o'clock and can you see my hair? Oh my god, there's a comb on my hair. I've not done my hair, I've not made my hair, so I just got less busy now. I want to try to make my hair now and I should be done before 8:30, so see you guys when I'm done making my hair.
I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. about now. I need you right about now. Hey, read your body language, see we conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We're taking turns with the play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah. Wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. Fulfill your desires, put your hands on me. Run your fingers all around my thighs. Play me like a key. Loving how you show me why you're mine. Come and take the lead. Play out all the things you had in mind. All your fantasies. Focus on me, then repeat. Make me hit that do-re-mi. Not a type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, placing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I meet what's your introduction. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is.
Hi guys, so it's currently 10:20 and I told you guys I'll be done making my hair by 8:30 and it's 10:20. So more customers came in and I have to attend to them. So I just finished now. I've not even eaten safe. I've not eaten. I just want to take tea and bread and then take my bath and go and sleep. That's all. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas and wishing you a happy new year in advance. So guys, I just got back from church. Today is the 25th of December and it's Christmas. Like, who don't celebrate Christmas? So guys, I just came back from church and because of how we were busy yesterday, we could not go to the market to get anything to cook today. So I don't know why. I'll be cleaning up this makeup to go to the market and then I'll be showing you how we prep, how we cook our food for Christmas and how we spend time together for Christmas. We don't go out Christmas Day, we go out any other day apart from Christmas Day because we're usually tired because of the work at the shop. So we'll be going to the market very soon. I don't know if I'll clean this makeup off because I mean I look so pretty to clean it off. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Oh, I'm going with my sister. I'm going with my sister and my mom. We're going to the market. This is so weird, me. Oh my god.
Taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up tonight. Got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me the butterflies. Take me from low to highs. Want you here every day. Can't get enough. You can be a star. nothing to lose cause I'm a winner. I got everything here to offer. Everybody else is a beginner. I do more than talk, yeah, I deliver. Don't worry about me cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight. Take me to paradise. My name, your favorite line. Calling me on the flame. Don't ever have to try. Come let me be your guy. And if you're down to ride, follow me on the way. Can't get enough. You get me started. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Can't get enough. You can be started. Can't get enough. You can be started.
So guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, or let's just say mini vlog, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys, bye.